Alright, a very good evening to all of you. Today's topic is average. Now, today is a very short topic and a quick topic, but an important topic. Like you can expect 3-4 questions from this topic also, that is an average. Supposedly, if there is a question being asked that the average of 5 numbers, you'll straight away deal with the questions. Supposedly, if given that the average of the 5 numbers is 20, and if each number is multiplied by 2, then what is the new average? What is the new average? So we have the 5 numbers A, B, C, D, E and their average, like it was given that it is equal to 20. Then it is asking you, then when it would be multiplied with by 2, then what would be the new average? Again, the average would be nothing but 40. Yes or no? Do you agree with me or not? Okay, next question. The average of 3 consecutive even numbers is 34. You have to find the largest of these numbers. Supposedly, if there are 3 consecutive numbers, let's say the first number is x, another number is x plus 2, then we have x plus 4. What would be their average? It would be 3x plus 6 divided by 3. Yes, you can solve it by taking out the 3 common. That would be nothing but x plus 2. So what is it? It is being given in the question that it is equals to 34. So what would be x? X is 32. And what is the largest number they are asking? So largest number is x plus 4. That is 32 plus 4. That is nothing but 36 is the right answer. The simple questions, but these questions would be asked in this way. So you people should be knowing like this. Next question. 10 typists 10 typists can type 600 pages in 8 hours. You have to find the average number of pages which are being typed by each in 1 hour. ठीक है, तो सबने 1 घंटे में कितना काम किया है ये आपसे उसकी एवरेज पूछ रहा है. So the total pages typed by 10 typists in 8 hours is 600. Now, the pages typed by one typist in 8 hours would be 600 divided by 10. Yes or no? So that is 60 pages. Then, the pages which are being typed in 1 hour is nothing but 60 by 8. That is 7.5 pages. Yes or no? Getting the things? So accordingly you can find out. Next question. The average of Sohan's marks in 6 subjects is 74. Then if his average in 5 subjects excluding science is 70, how many marks he might have obtained in science? So let's just say there are A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F divided by 6 subjects and the average is 74. But when if it is A plus B up till E divided by 5, then the average is given in the question as 70. So you can very easily calculate what is the average over here. So what is this? A up till E is nothing but 70 into 5 is 350 and you can substitute it over here. So that is 350 plus F divided by 6 is equals to 74. That is 350 plus F is equals to 444, which implies F is equals to 444 minus 350, that is 94. Yes or no? Okay. Next question. The average age of a group of 30 boys is 16 years. A boy of age 19 leaves the group and a new boy joins the group. If the new average of the group is 15.8 years, find the age of the new boy. Find the age of the new boy. So you know that from boy 1 up till boy 30, when we calculate the average, that is 16. Yes or no? Okay. And it has been mentioned that a boy of age 19, when he leaves the group, that means the first boy, let's just suppose that it is of, it's nothing to suppose, it has been mentioned over here that it is of the age 19 plus B2 से B30 तक अगर हम रखें, page breaks over here, 19 plus B2 से B30 and it is 30 into 16, that is nothing but 480, which implies from B2 up till B30 is nothing but 480 minus 19. 480 minus 19 is 461. Okay. Now some other boy also joins, like let's say that is B1 dash up till B30 divided by 30, and the new average has been given as 15.8 according to the question, and we do not know the age of this, but we know from B2 to B30 is nothing but, just now we have calculated, it was 461. Yes or no? And that is equals to 15.8 into 30, which implies B1 dash is equals to, what is this? You can calculate it by yourself, do the calculations. That would be 474 minus 461. Please cross check it by yourself one. So the new person who has been included in the group is of the age of 13. Okay, so in this way the questions are very often being asked. So you have to solve these questions and they are very important from your examination point of view. You can expect good questions like this from this particular topic in your examination. Okay, next. The average of the age of 30 boys in a class is 15 years. Now, if we include the age of 2 teachers also, then the average age increases by 1. You have to find the sum of ages of 2 teachers. So it is B1 up till B30 divided by 30 is equals to 15. Yes or no? Which implies B1 from B1 to B30, this is 450. Then there are 2 teachers also involved. So you can say that B1 say B30 में, then T1 plus T2 have been included divided by 32, and now the average is given as 16. Now we know what is this. This is 450. We have just calculated. T1 plus T2 divided by 32 is equals to 16, and the summation of T1 and T2 has been asked. That would be 16 into 32 divided by 450. 16 into 32 minus 450. So what is your answer? This is 512 minus 450, that is 62 is the right answer. So in this way the questions would be there in your paper. Okay. Next question. The average weight of 10 men, is decreased by 2 kg when one of them whose weight is 60 kg is replaced by a new man. What is the weight of the new man? What is the weight of the new man? Okay. So according to question, it is 60 plus M2 up till M10 divided by 10 is equals to X is the first equation. Then some new man also includes, and the answer is that the average has been decreased by 2 according to question. So from 1 and 2 you can solve it, the equations. From 1 you can see plus m2 say m10 is equals to 10x, and from 2 it is n plus m2 up till m10, that is equals to 10 into x minus 2. Now let's just solve it over here only. This got deducted. This is 60 minus n is equals to 10 of x minus 10 of x plus 20. Yes or no? Which implies 60 minus 20 is equals to n, which implies 40 is the right answer. So that is the weight of the new man. Alright, I hope you are getting the things and you can do the questions. Next question. Four years ago, the average age of A and B was 20 years. If today the average age of A, B, C is 25 years, what will be the age of C after 7 years? This type of question has been asked. So it is saying that A plus B divided by 2, 4 years back the average was 20. Then you can calculate it. What is it? This is A plus B divided by 2 is equals to 16, right? Which implies A plus B is equals to 24. Okay. Then if today the age of ABC is 25, that means A plus B plus C divided by 3 is 25, which implies A plus B plus C is equals to 75. What would be the age of C after 7 years? Okay, so what is A plus B? Just now we have we know that this was 16 twos are 12, so this is 48, right? Just check it by yourself and you can do it. So this is 48 plus C is equals to 75, which implies C is equals to 27. But the age of C that we have calculated is the present age of C, understand? And they have asked in the question what would be the age of C after 7 years. So you have to include 7 over here. After 7 years, the age of C would be 27 plus 7 is 34 years. Yes or no? I hope you are getting the things and you can understand, you can solve the questions in this way. The average is a very important topic, simple topic but important topic. So I thought why not cover this topic also today in our session. Okay. Then these are some simple questions. You will be able to do these by yourselves. Let me just take a good one. Then sometimes the calculations are lengthy over here, so that you have to think while doing the questions, that sometimes the calculations are involved, so you have to do it. Okay, another question for the day. If the number of quantities, a good one, if the number of quantities in group A is 10 and in group B is 8 and their individual average is 24 and 16 respectively, you have to find the combined average of the two groups. So how to do it? So in group A, the number of quantities is 10. In group B, the number of quantities is 8. So we can say A1 plus A2 up till A10 divided by 10 is equals to 24, and B1 up till B8 divided by 8 is nothing but 16. Okay, so A1 say A10 is 240 and B1 up till B8 is 128. Okay, then you can calculate it. You have to find out the combined average. So that is very simple. 240 plus 128 divided by 18. So that is why 18? Because we have to calculate the number of quantities also. So it is 184 divided by 9. The answer would be 20.4 approximately. Okay, so this is how you can calculate and you can find out the answers. Okay, another question for the day. Isme, I'm not going to give you many questions. Still, I have taught many questions over here. There are not many questions, and the questions which are involved over here are very simple. So you have to just simply think of the logic and you have to start using your pen and you have to do it. Supposedly, the average age of a group of 6 boys is 19, and if the new average after a boy joins, mostly if a person is joining or leaving the group, and then you have to calculate the average, or you have to calculate the age or the weight of that particular man who has entered or left the group. Okay, the boy joins the group. Now the average is 21.28, just to increase the complexity and the calculations. So you have to find the age of the new boy. So let's just say B1, B2 up till B6 divided by 6 is equals to 19, which implies B1 up till B6 is 114. Then also B1, B6 and a new person has been included, divided by 7. The average also changed, which implies 114 plus B7 is equals to 21.28 into 7, which implies what is B7, that is equals to 148.96 minus 114.00. So this is 96 point, what is this, 43. So 34.96 is the right answer. Okay, so this is very important from your examination point of view, simple but important. ओके तो इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस ही मेरे को दिख रहे हैं और इतने ही क्वेश्चंस आपको मैंने करवा दिए हैं. आई थिंक रेस्ट यू कैन डू बाय योरसेल्फ. लेकिन एक छोटे से नोट्स हैं, क्विक नोट्स आर इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी, तो उसको आप प्लीज नोट कर लीजिए जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हैं. ठीक है, वो क्विक नोट्स क्या हैं, आप अपने पेज को चाहे तो डिवाइड कर लीजिए. वी हैव नेचुरल नंबर्स, वी हैव इवन नंबर्स एंड वी हैव ऑड नंबर्स. शायद मैं ये पहले भी आपको जो भी टॉपिक करवाया है नंबर्स वाला उसमें बताया है. तो अगर आपको नेचुरल नंबर्स की बात किया जाए तो उसमें द एवरेज ऑफ फर्स्ट एन नेचुरल नंबर्स इज गिवन एज n plus 1 by 2. Then the average of first n even numbers is given by n plus 1. And here the average of first n odd numbers is given as n. Yes or no? ठीक है, ये आपको नोट करना है. Then the average of the square of first n natural numbers, पहले भी शायद बताया होगा, that is n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Then the average of the first n even numbers, from 2 to x. अगर आपको 2 से निकालना है अपटेल x, that is x plus 2 divided by 2. Then the average of first n odd numbers which are starting from 1 to x and where the last odd number is x only. Again it is x plus 2 divided by 2. ये नोट करना है. Then the average, यहाँ पर पेज ब्रेक हुआ है तो यहीं से कर लेते हैं. The average of the cubes of first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 का whole square divided by 4. Here the average of the square of first n even numbers, that is 2 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 3. और अगर आपसे 2 से x में पूछा जाता है in the range of let me just say 2 to x, अगर ये वाला रेंज है then it would be x plus 1 into x plus 2 divided by 3, right? And here the average of the square of first n odd numbers, so that is x into x plus 2 divided by 3. yes or no. ये कुछ आप फॉर्मूले दिमाग में रखिएगा. किसके रिलेशन में है ये जो भी फॉर्मूला बताया मैंने? These are in the relation of average of the natural numbers, of the even numbers, of the odd numbers. Few formula you should be knowing, right? So when I am talking of the average of first n natural numbers, it is n plus 1 by 2. When I am talking the average of the square of the first n natural numbers, it would be n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. And when I am talking of the cube of the first n natural numbers, that is n into n plus 1 ka whole square divided by 4. When I am talking of the even numbers, the sum of the first n even numbers is n plus 1. Then the even numbers in the range of 2 to x is x plus 2 divided by 2. Then the average of the square of the first n even numbers is 2 twice of n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 3. When there is a range from 2 to x, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? आपको directly भी दिख रहा है. It would be x plus 1 into x plus 2 divided by 3. Likewise, for the odd numbers, average of first n odd numbers is n only. Average of first n odd numbers which are in the range of 1 to x is x plus 2 divided by 2. You can cross check it also. And the average of square of first n odd numbers is x into x plus 2 divided by 3. You can cross check it, but it is good for you to remember these formulae because these are directly being applied in the questions being asked. Okay, so I think this much is sufficient for understanding the average. If you have understood the lecture, if you have really liked the lecture, please do like, share and comment. Please do study very hard, and in case of any problems and any questions and you want any particular question to be solved, please do mention it in the comment section. As of today, that is all for now. Thank you. I wish you all the best for your future preparation. Thank you. We'll be soon meeting with a new lecture. Thank you.